nobody say what I did wrong, as continuously those
Sir,
are giving some red cross.
sir,
So
it is
what we did wrong?
sir, it is
Anybody?
mentioned as equal to, but it will be as a
Very
saying.
good, very good, very good. So, but the exciting, the funny thing is that always the that platform, if you did some mistake, that will assist you. You did some mistake. You did some mistake. Please go for that. You did some mistake. So that assist you continuously. If you follow it, you will definitely able to identify what you did wrong. Okay, now just conclude it. For conclusions, what you have to do, give a second invited comma. Once you all we know, if you open one bracket over here, we must, we have to end it. And here here give it a
Semicolon.
so once again go for print. What we have to do, print, in between print, just type city data one thing, city data, give it a name as city data one, so that there is no confusion over there. So city data, copy it and paste it and go for run. Once again it gives some error, as because equals to sign comes over here. So four object has been found. And now it will appear alphabetically. First city, then elevation, then population, and then temperature. Now question is that if I want to fetch only the temperature, I don't have any interest regarding population and regarding elevation. I am fetching the information. What is the average temperature over there? So that's why I don't need rest of the data. So in that case we have to use, once again we have to use one list in between dictionary. We have to use one list in between dictionary. Just like that, we have to use one list over here. Sorry, one square bracket over here. And in square bracket, we have to provide that the temperature tag. Okay, the temperature. Okay, now go for run. Now see, only the temperature has been appeared over here. Only the temperature has been appeared over here. Now this is a variable. Now we have used one dictionary. In between dictionary, we have used listing. So once we use listing, you see here no tag is over there. Only the value has appeared over here. So this is the very basic concept. And whenever we are going to write the geospatial information, geospatial code, we have to keep remember all those basic concept of JavaScript. Unless until if we have the code, if somebody gives you the code, you will not able to moderate it, or you will not able to customize it according to your requirement. So always go, sometime you may find somebody says you that he or she is familiar with Google Earth Engine, but he don't know JavaScript. So ask them, how is it possible? You are working with Google Earth Engine and you don't have any idea of JavaScript. So how will you process all those things? And then once again you asked him, somebody give you the code and you just copy the code and paste it, and it automatically it runs. So this is not at all a knowledge of Google Earth Engine. If you want to be technically sound in Google Earth Engine, you must know JavaScript in proper way. If you know the JavaScript, you can just play with Google Earth Engine. You can just juggling with Google Earth Engine. Okay. So now this is our JavaScript concept for today's JavaScript concept of today. We learn in the sector of JavaScript what? Dictionary. and listing. We yesterday we have already learned listing and JavaScript and the dictionary. Now with the help of this listing and JavaScript dictionary, we will perform rest of the thing. So till that portion, I believe, I think you got the clear idea. If you once again, if you get any kind of difficulties, I will be always there to assist you. My phone number is there. My you can connect with me with LinkedIn. You can connect with me with Facebook. You can connect with me with Instagram. Always, I will happy to help you out. Okay, and I will be there 28th on 29th on Rampurhat, and please come to please I believe we should have interactions and we can share much more conceptual things over there. So anyway, so now we will move on our next part. Our next part will be, we will deal with, as I said, we will deal with our uh, what, digital elevation model. So I am keeping this for after the sessions. I will send all those code to you for your better analysis and for your better practice. Now we will move on our new practice, which is how do you handle all those what, all those digital elevation model. So there is a digital elevation model. I think, I believe you people all have the idea of digital elevation model. So elevation model, which you usually collect through your dumpy level, through your total stations, we will manage all those things digitally. This is called digital elevation model, and that model has been developed by satellite sensor. So there is a specific freely available specific sensor over there, and there is specific mission. The mission name as SRTM. Do you have any idea what is SRTM? Yes, I know you people have the idea of SRTM. Still, I am describing what is SRTM. The full form of SRTM is Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission. You can those I think all of you know it, but those people who are beginner, you can write down this Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission, SRTM, Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission. So what is Shuttle Radar Topographic Mission? It is a project of NASA. NASA developed that kind of project. One satellite has been over there, that orbit of the earth, and that throws one radio wave to earth surface, and that interact with the earth surface, and it reflects and the timing of reflectance and getting the data, it calculate the elevation of the earth surface for the entire earth. That's why subtle radar topographic missions, it's created digital topography, and we will fetch that data in front of us with writing of 2 or 3 line script. 2 or 3 line script will provide you entire data of your earth surface. Can you believe? And within a few seconds, if you want to download one SRTM data from USGS, it will take a lot of time, and it will provide you only certain area, and the that if you want to download rest of the portions, it will take much more time. So we will go for some exciting sessions to fetch all those data in front of you instantly. So just go with me. I think you people are excited to learn all those things. Okay, so now just go with me. So now SRTM is important to remember. SRTM. So just type SRTM over here. Just type SRTM over here. If you type SRTM, lots of data available, lots of data available over here regarding SRTM. So amongst lots of data available, you can choose any one amongst them. You have to just read out all those data, what kind of satellite information giving what kind of data. But in our case, we will choose, in our case, we will choose SRTM digital elevation model version 4. In our case, we will choose SRTM digital elevation model version 4. So what to do? Very easy, very simple, very simple. Just go with me. Just go with me. SRTM. Just type SRTM. Just type what? Just type SRTM and give a enter. Now go to first option. Now I think you people able to understand what to do. This is the description. Here all description has been, this is called metadata. Description is also considered as metadata. So what is metadata? Metadata is called data about data. Data about data. Metadata is called what? Data about data. And you can read out what kind of metadata has been providing over here. Then you can go with bands. How many bands over there? How many bands? You see only here, only one band is there. Okay, no issue. Now what you have to do? Anybody? Anybody? I believe you will able to say. Anybody amongst you? What you have to do? Just
Just
Copy
copy
paste.
very
address.
very simple. It is very hard to digest. Now, very easy, na? Very easy. Believe me, it's very easy. Just copy it and go for it. What now? What you have to do? You people say, I will just type. Okay. Now you are the resource person. I am the participants. Anybody? What to do? Anybody? Sir, madam, participants.
Variable name.
VAR.
Declare as a variable.
So you have to give one name. Okay. You have to give name SRTM. SRTM. You can also choose different name. Okay. You can also give Ram, Sam, Jodu, Modu, whatever you want to say, use, you can use, but we prefer some meaningful name so that we can interact. Let's say some different person is continuing your code for the rest of the project. So if you provide here SRK, Salman, etc., Ritik, etc., 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 then he will not able to relate which kind of variable represent which data. Now, if I put here SRTM, that he or she who is doing our next, he is able to speculate that kind of variable maybe represent that kind of data. So always try to give a meaningful name so that your colleague can relate all those things. Okay. So at for our case we are choosing SRTM. Now what to do? Give a is equal to sign. The next, madam, what to do? What to do? Anybody? Fast. Anybody? What to do? Anybody?
Paste that link.
Whatever we have copied, just paste it. Okay, first line has been over. Now you say, now what to do? You people say, what to do? Yes, fast. You can say, you can easily able to say. I believe you people easily able to say. Just concentrate. What to do? We have to give map dot set
Info.
where we want to see the result, which area. So I want to see, as madam is from Pune, I want to see the Western Ghat, the elevation of the Western Ghat, especially this area belongs to plateau of Deccan Trap. So I want to, we want to, we want to take the scenario of Deccan Trap. So we want to see that particular portions, Pune, here, Pune. Okay. Now take the value latitudinal and longitudinal informations of Pune. So how to get the latitudinal and longitudinal informations of Pune? Anybody? Anybody?
Inspector.
Inspector,
Click.
inspector, the job of inspector, police inspector. Police inspector, what usually do? Inspections. He do inspections. He or she do inspection. So in our case, as a GIS engineer, we do inspections. We do inspections regarding what? Regarding latitudinal and longitudinal information. So just move here, just move, click on Pune, and all the inspections result has been appeared over here. There is 73 latitude longitudinal information has been appeared over here. Now what to do? Now anybody what to do? What to do? Map dot. Now go to docs. If you remember the syntax, you can. If you forget the syntax, then what to do? Map dot set center. Map dot set center. Now what to do? Map dot set center. Just click over here. Just click over here. Just copy it and just paste it. Clear? Very clear. Now go to your inspector. Just copy it and and paste it. Just copy it and paste it, and go for the zoom condition. What will be the zoom condition? That depends according to your requirement. Let's say I am giving zoom condition 6. Okay. Now give a semicolon. Now what to do? Anybody? Now what to do? Anybody? What to do? Map. I want to see the map on the display. I want to see the map on display. So what to do? Anybody? I want to see the map on display. You people easily able to say. If I just give some hint, you will definitely say able to say map dot add layer. No? Map dot add layer. So how to use map dot add layer? Just go with me. If you forget and see the
Sir,
map.
can you repeat? Hello.
Yes,
Sir, can you
definitely.
repeat how you have put the lat long 7385 like this? Can you repeat this?
Yes, definitely. So from where we get the latitudinal and longitudinal that values. So there is a tab named as inspector. There is a tab named as what? There is a tab named as inspector. Just click on it and go to your desired location, which is Pune. If you click over here, see entire latitudinal and longitudinal informations along with zoom level all are appeared over here. Once again, I am doing. Don't be worried if you get difficulties. I will be always there to repeat the process again and again until you get it. Okay. So what to do? What to do, sir? You will be able to say what to do. Map dot anybody, map dot set center. Map dot set center. If you type map dot set center over here, just copy it. Just copy it. Just copy it. And this is the syntax. And these three portion is called what? These three portion is called arguments. These three portion is called what? These three portion is called arguments. And just copy it and here paste it. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Got it? Now, with the help of inspector tab, I just click over here. Having clicking over here, I just get the informations of latitude and longitude. Just copy it and just paste it. And just paste it. Got it? Is there any confusion over here? Is very simple as water. Now zoom level. Here you can see zoom level is 8. Now zoom level you can also alter according to your requirement, some ups and downs. So I am giving you here zoom level is, let's say, 8. Okay. Now give a colon over here. Now is it till that portion, is it very fine to you? Is there any confusion over there? Is there any confusion over there?
No,
No,
sir.
no confusion. Now just another just one line, another just more one line. It with the help of that line, you get entire data of digital elevation, entire data of world for elevation, entire data of world. And as we said, set center, your JavaScript will take you to that particular latitude, longitude for the visualizations purpose, visualizations instantly that particular portions. It will take you instantly for that particular portions. And as in spite of that, if you want to see the elevation of the rest of the world, you can just roam your mouse, pan your map, you can reach anywhere of the world with that three lines. Now what to do? Now anybody what to do? Anybody just interact fast. Anybody what to do? Map dot.
Map, add layer.
Map add layer.
Very good, very good, very good. Map dot add layer. Now, if you able to remember the code exactly, you can type over here. Now, if you just remember the, if you have the idea of the code, what should be here, but you don't able to remember the exact code, don't need to worry. You don't need to memorize anything. Just take the concept. Just take the concept. If you have the concept, you can do anything, don't need to memorize. Okay, so now just you people know map dot set center. So I am just not able to remember what will be the caps and what letter in the small. So don't need to worry. Map dot set center, just type over here map dot set center. Now over here map dot set center, sorry, map dot add layer, map dot add layer. So here that has been appeared over here. Map dot add layer, M will be capital and L will be capital, rest of the portion is small. So just copy it, just copy it and just paste it. And this is the syntax, and those are the arguments. You have to change the arguments according, you have to fill the arguments according to your requirement only. So EE object, first argument is EE object, and I think, I believe all of you, sir, madam, and my dear students, you will able to say what will be the EE object. The full form of EE object, anybody? Full form of EE object, full form of EE object, anybody? Earth engine object,
Earth
Earth
engine object.
engine. Very good, fantastic, sir. Now, what will be the EE object? Anybody, what will be the EE object first? What will be the EE object?
Elevation.
Oh, no, yes,
Elevation.
Or
SRT.
SRTM.
elevation stores where? Elevation stores where? In that variable. You have to input the variable over here. Very good, fantastic. Very good. Now, these params. These params means visualizations parameter. So, if you want to give visualizations parameter, you have to give minimum and maximum value for displaying. Minimum and maximum value for displaying. So, if I want to give minimum and maximum value, I have to input one dictionary over here, and in between dictionary you have to provide minimum value. Let's say minimum value will be 0 and maximum value, that depends, that can be that value can be changed. That means those are the variables that may be changed according to your requirement. Let's say you are fetching one elevation value of plain land, and you are fetching one elevation value of some plateau or some hilly region, that may be differed for the visualization purpose. So maximum value, so we are providing maximum value as 8,000, but I am checking it whether it is representable or not. If it is not representable, then I will change the value accordingly. So now give a semicolon, now sorry, now give a comma. Now we have to provide one name of that particular layer. What will be the name? What will be the name? Let's say I am giving the name as ELEV, that means elevation. I am giving the name as ELEV, that means elevation. And now remove all those things, we don't need rest of the arguments. Okay, so give a semicolon. Now these three lines, is it very hard to digest? I will repeat the process again. Don't need to worry. Just try to understand whether you people are getting it or not. I believe you people are absolutely able to get it. Now what to do? Anybody amongst you? Now just go with me. Just go with me. Just click on run. Once you clicking on run, see if the process is going on, and data for entire world has been appeared in front of you within a few seconds. And if you just click on run, it will take you to your exact desired locations. And if you click over here, you will see the result in inspector object. Here elevation is, you can see the, wait, just wait. Here each and every is available. Just go with me. Here elevation is 789 meter. Now we want to change the color, we want to change the brightness in that. For that's why we can just change the value over here. See what happened. Make it 5000 and see the result. It's much more brighter, na? So make it 1000 for that particular portion. Yes, that has been appear exactly. And this is the result of entire India. And this is the elevation data. As you see, this is the Himalayan region. Okay, and there is Aravalli. Those are the Chotanagpur plateau. Those are the Western Ghat, and this is Nilgiri. And there is a gap between Western Ghat and Nilgiri, which have that particular gaps helps to bring monsoon wind throughout the center portions of the India. So this gap is very important for the Indian climate. This gap plays a important roles. Anyway, so in that way, we are able to bring the entire digital elevation model of the world within a few seconds and writing only 3 lines. Now say, is it amazing or not? Are you feeling exciting or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the things. And these entire data, these 3 lines is responsible to bring entire data in front of you. And believe me, if you want to fetch that data with the help of USGS side, it will take years to bring all those data in front of you. Okay, so will I repeat the process again for better understanding, or I will move the next part? Is it very clear to all of you, or will I repeat the? Let's do one thing. It will take hardly 3 or 4 minutes. Let's do the process again. And anyone amongst you act as a volunteer or act as a resource person, I will follow your instruction. Okay. So anyone come as volunteer, I will deleting all the thing. So what to do? Anybody? And if I want to give run, nothing is there. So anyone what to do? Anyone come forward, please. Anyone? It will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Anyone? Or I will choose randomly. Anyone? Madam from Pune, will you act as resource person?
Yes, sir. Not a resource person, but as volunteer.
Okay, madam. Yes, madam. So what to do?
So
Madam,
first
your
we'll
name, please.
clear our variable.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, your name, please.
Yeah, I'm Gayatri Maval.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah.
So just say, madam, what to do? First, we have to take one
Variable.
variable. Very good. VAR. Then
Its name we can give them.
name. SRTM. Okay. Now
Now from that
is equal to
search.
sign. Uh, Now
Yeah,
search. Everything is important. If you just
SRTM.
omit is equal to sign, it will give error. So every tiny thing is every small thing is very important, played a very important role over here. Anyway, so go to search and type as you say, as madam says,
SRTM.
the TM. Okay, then
Yes.
just click on hit
Digital
on
elevation.
enter. So all the data,
Yes.
you people also try with rest of the data. You can see what will come in front of you. Lot of data. This is hydro shades. Lot of data available over there. You can try it with your own, or with your comfortable time according to your requirement. For our case, we will go on SRTM, shuttle radar topographic mission. SRTM, shuttle radar
Digi
topographic mission. Okay, so
digital elevation data.
so
Version 2.
okay, very good. Just click on here and go to, just copy it. You can select it and just right click, copy. And if you get this is, if you think this is very laborious, so you can go for just click over here. Automatically it will be copied. Okay, close it. Thank you, madam.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now what to do, madam?
Paste it. Paste
Very
it.
very good, madam. Paste it. Now give a
Semicolon.
very good, madam. Thanks a lot. Now, what to do?
Now
Now,
again we can type map dot set center.
okay, very good. So I don't know. I forget the exact code map dot set
Then
center.
from
So
docs, if we type map dot set center, we will get the
very
format of
very
arguments.
good, madam. Very good. Map dot set
Set center.
center. Okay, just click it.
Copy
Now
it.
this is code, and those are called
Arguments.
arguments. Fantastic, madam. Fantastic. So just paste it. Now as far as your requirement, I want to fetch some data. Let's say fetch some data of uh, there is fetch some data of Nepal. Let's say Nepal. There are few candidates who are from Nepal. That's why I am going to Nepal. Okay. uh, Click on here, and using inspector, just
Mhm.
copy it and lat
Paste.
long. Very good. Thank you, madam. Now give a value of let's say zoom level is 6. Okay, that depends according to your requirement. Okay. Now finally
Semicolon.
just one line more.
Now
Just
to visualize that layer, we have to go with map dot add layer.
very good, very good. Map dot add layer. So here, if you forget the code, just docs, go to docs, map dot add layer. So all of the things is comes in front of you. Just copy it and paste it. Paste it. Okay. And so now what to do? EE object. EE object means
Or file name, variable name.
Earth engine object. Here we have to input variable.
SRTM.
SRTM. So full form of SRTM, subtle
Settle
radar topographic.
radar.
As I am interacting with all of you, and I am saying all those things again and again, believe me, it will stay your mind for a long time. It will be your instinct. That's why I am interacting with you all the time. Okay. And now we have to use these params, visualizations parameter. Now we have
In
to use,
curly brackets.
so what terminology we will use for inputting? This is dictionary.
Visualization parameter.
uh, and we will use that is with the help of dictionary. Now how to use visualization parameter one by one, madam?
Minimum.
Minimum,
And
let's say minimum 0, and maximum, as it's from mountain region. If you use 6,000, it will be fine, I think. 6,000. Okay, that depends. You can also change according to your requirement. Okay, now give a name. Any kind of ELV, whatever name you will give, that will appear in here. And we don't need rest of the things. So how long it will take? Only only few seconds. If you
So
type
can you
properly,
try with that opacity?
opacity. We will do the opacity over here. Opacity means transparency. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. We don't need to put anything over here. It will become little bit of complex.
semicolon.
So just go for run. So a Nepal, the elevation of Nepal has been appear. Now here we can adjust the opacity. How to adjust the opacity? Opacity. Now here is a layer just like shapefile or any other so just software layer panel. Just if you check it off, it will disappear. If you check on, it will appear. And if you just change it, it will appear accordingly, and it will assist you to understand your exact criteria. Now, if possible, if you get time, you just do all those things and take a screenshot and send it to group so that rest of the participants get inspired that he able to do, she able to do, also I will able to do all those things, and it will also inspire me to make you learn more and more. I can understand you are able to execute all those things. Okay, if possible, I know all of you are all of you are going through a heavy tight schedule, and you have lot of work, lot of jobs to do. Few of them are research scholar, few of them students, few of them assistant professor, few of them working professionals, government officials. So you have a lot of you have a time crunch, I believe. But if you get time, it will take hardly 5 minutes to run all those things. If possible, uh, please run the code and take a screenshot and send it to our group, and I will also send all those code to you for your practice in the for your practice. And if you after these sessions or after this seminar, if you get any difficulties, you can keep my phone number 9836421525 9836421525. Anytime you can contact with me. If you get any difficulties, I will try to assist you always. Okay. Now, what to do? Now,
Hello, sir.
yes, yes, sir.
When I run this code, I have sent you the screenshot on this one group. Can you check that?
Okay, okay.
I'm
I will
getting
check it out.
different.
I will check it out. Okay.
Okay.
I will definitely, sir. I will check it out. But okay, I will check it out. Okay, so it is very fine over there. Just change the some parameter. Just change some parameter over there, and it will appear accordingly. For prominency purpose, you can change the parameter for better visualizations. Okay, and now uh, all the time it will no okay, okay, fantastic. Now go with second portion. Now I will bring the slope, as well as if I have the slope, then I want to I have the digital elevation model. Okay, now I want to extract the slope. Slope means gradient. I want to extract the slope over here. I want to extract the slope over here. So how to bring the slope? Slope means what? Slope means gradient. If I put some water over here, how fast it will move? This is called slope. So how to bring the slope? How to bring the slope? So our next motto is to bring the slope. Okay, slope from where? Slope from digital elevation model. Slope from where? Slope from digital elevation model. So what is slope? Slope is considered as gradient. Gradient. Slope is considered as gradient. Okay. So just go with me. So we have the data of elevation. We have the data of elevation. From these elevation data, we will create, from these elevation data, we will create slope. From these elevation data, we will create slope. Okay, slope means gradient. Slope means gradient. Just one by one, go with me. Now we will use another syntax for slope. We will use another syntax for slope. So just go over here. Just go to docs and type EE dot terrain. What we have to type? EE dot terrain. TERRAIN, E dot terrain. If you type E dot terrain, the all terrain related code will appear in front of you. All terrain related code appeared in front of you. Amongst them, what we will choose, you people can easily able to say what we have to choose. We have to choose EE dot terrain dot slope. That syntax. So in terrain, there are so many things over there: terrain dot aspect, terrain dot hill shadow, terrain dot hill shade. So everything is available over there. So according to your requirement, you can choose anyone amongst them. According to your requirement, you can choose anyone amongst them. What we have to choose? We have to choose EE dot slope. Okay, we have to choose what? EE dot slope. Just copy it, just copy it, okay, and paste it. Just copy it and paste it. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Now input. So we have to take another variable name as slope. We have to take another variable. You can give any name. You don't need to give name. You give name as variable only. You can take any name for the variable. In our case, for better understanding, I am taking one variable, var slope, variable slope. Amongst them, what we have to input? We have to input that. Okay, sorry. We have to input that one, EE dot terrain dot slope. What we have to input? EE dot terrain dot slope. Is it very clear to you or not? Once again, did that till that portion, it is very clear to you? Till that portion it is very clear to you. Now we have to go where? Now we have to go where? We have to go var, variable. Okay, variable slope. Variable will be slope. Now what to do? Just give a is equal to sign. Then what to do? EE dot terrain, which we have copied over here. We have to take one, EE dot terrain dot slope. EE dot terrain dot slope. And here is a thing. What we have to input parameter. What will be the argument, in which we will store over here. We will get slope from where? We will get
SRTM variable.
SRT.
very good, madam. We will get the slope from that variable. Just copy it and just paste it. Complete. Now give a semicolon. Now what we have to do? Now we have to make a display. Just copy this layer for your faster job. Paste. Map dot add layer. What will be EE object? E object will be slope instead of SRTM. Now minimum and maximum value you have to change according to your requirement. Let's say I am giving 60 instead of 6000. Okay, and give a name as slope. Give a name as slope. Okay, fine. These 5 lines will bring you the slope of the entire area. Now go for run and just wait for a bit. As you can see, your digital elevation model and slope both layer are available. This is a digital elevation model layer elevation, and this is slope layer. You can check it off for better understanding. Okay, this is slope. And how to understand the slope? If you click anywhere in Nepal, you can just see slope. Here slope is 31 degree. always slope is represented in degrees, and result will be always 0 to 90, within 0 to 90. So 31, it indicates moderate slope over there. So if you click any brighter portions, that will represent some higher slope over there, 53-degree slope. That means if some water flows on here, it will move much more faster. Now, if you move on Gangetic plain like Sundarban or that particular portions plain area, slope will be much more lesser. Just see here, the slope will be just 0.088 degree. That means almost flat region it is. That's why it's a Gangetic plain. And if you move according to Madam's locations in Pune, so if you click anywhere in Maharashtra in white portions, and you can see slope will be much more higher. Here slope will be 6 degree, and you can also change the visualization parameter. If you change the value, it will change the visualizations parameter accordingly. Now I am inputting, make it 30 instead of 60. Make it run and just see what happened. See, much more better visualization has been appeared. Got it? Got it or not? I believe you people got it. Now, once again, you will also, now, if you see, whenever I run the code, what actually happening? First digital elevation model is coming over here. After that, slope is coming over here. To process all those things, it will take a bit time. So we can all the time, the in general, those checkbox is in the enable portion. So we want to disable it. We want to disable by default. So if I want to disable by default, let's say I want to disable elevation, that means DEM by default, just give a comma and just type FALAC false. If you type false, then by default it will appear, the layer will be appear, but by default it will be unchecked. By default it will be unchecked. Just go with me, run. Let's see. Only on instantly only your slope is appear, and see, by default elevation is unchecked. You can make it check, and then it will appear definitely, but by default it will be unchecked. As we type here false, if it consider as false, then it will be unchecked. So it will faster your processing speed. It will make your faster your processing speed, because DEM portion is not processing in that part. In If we write false, DEM portion is not processing, but it will appear, it will stay over there, but it will not process. So whenever you are doing a lot of layer at a time, you can make it false. Got it? Or will I do the process again? So I am doing the process again. Just go with me, and you people say, I will execute the process. Just go with me one by one. So for the slope purpose, what to do? Anybody, for the slope purpose, what to do? Anybody come as volunteer? What to do?
Type EE.terrain in the doc.
Very
Okay.
First of all, sir, you have to take one variable.
Oh, very well. Right.
Variable name as, you can give any name, but for our better understanding, always what we do, we will provide some meaningful name over there. And what to do? Then we have to give one is equal to sign. Then if we able to remember the actual syntax, then you can type. Now as a beginner, we can do EE.terrain. We can type EE.terrain. So if I type EE.terrain, So entire terrain related information will appear in front of entire terrain related information will appear in front of you. So amongst them, we will choose ee.terrain.slope. Just copy it and just paste it. Just copy it and just paste it. Okay. Now what to do? Now here there is the input. So what will be the input parameter? Input parameter will be dem. Dem store where? Dem store in SRTM variable. Now just paste the SRTM variable over here and give a semicolon. Now go for map.add layer. Now go for what? Now go for map.add layer. So how to do map.add layer? And just one by one go with me. You can copy here or you can do map dot add layer. Map.add layer. Just copy it and paste over here. So map.add layer, what will be the earth engine object? Earth engine object will be slope. Earth engine object will be slope. Okay. And vis params, what will be the vis params? Vis params means visualizations parameter. And what will be the visualizations parameter? Here you have to input minimum value and as well as maximum value. And what will be the maximum value? Maximum value will be, let's say, 30. You can change according to your requirement. Now you what to have to do? Just give a single inverted comma and give a name, elevation, or give a any name, slope. Okay. Now you don't need to do anything with the rest of the portions. Okay. Now go for run. And it will run automatically. Let's say, is it very clear to you or not? Okay. So till that portion is very clear to you. If that has been very clear, then we will move on our next portion. I believe you have a tight schedule. I don't want to waste your time. So that's why we'll process all those things as fast as possible. So give some response. Will you able to got it, or I will process for further things? So if yes, I will process. There is lot of things for SRTM data also, DEM related data also. Now, now we will bring one satellite image of Landsat. We will bring some Landsat image over here, and it once again it's going to be much more exciting. Okay, so just go with me. So we don't need to do all those things anymore. I will send you the all the code, and you can also take a screenshot of that, or I will provide all those code to you. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to worry about code. Everything I will provide you. You just have to execute, or you have just have to process. Okay. Now one by one, just go with me. Okay, so now our motto is to bring Landsat image over here. Now our motto is to bring Landsat image over here. To bring Landsat image, where we have to go? We have to go on search and type Landsat and type Landsat. Once you type Landsat, entire Landsat series will appear in front of you. Entire Landsat series will appear in front of you. Amongst them, you can choose any one amongst them according to your requirement. Okay, according to your requirement, and you can choose any ones amongst them. Okay, just where we have to go? We have to go on land. We have to go on search we have to go on search. Okay, and we have to go on search, then we have to go for Landsat. We have to go on search, then we have to go on Landsat. Is it clear? Is there any confusion? I think those things are very clear to you right now. Just go with me. Just click on Landsat. Just give enter. Click on Landsat. Just give enter. Okay. Now choose that one, USGS. USGS. You can choose any one amongst them. All the data, all the metadata is available on description portions. So you can read it out, and according to your requirement, you can choose any one. You can choose any one amongst them. So one by one, I am choosing that first one and see the description. Then I move on bands. How many bands are there? So band 1 represent coastal aerosol, band 2 blue, band B3 green, B4 red, B5 near infrared, and in that way all the bands are available. Whatever the bands are available, that represents all those things. Got it? Now close it. Okay. Now take a variable, var variable. What will be the variable name? Let's say I am giving variable name as L8. That means Landsat 8. Okay. Then give a is equal to sign. Now where we have to go? Now where we have to go? Anybody? Just click on here, then click on here, and just copy it. Okay, and just copy it. Okay, now close it. Clear? And paste it over here and give a colon till that portion. Is it very clear to you? Is it very clear to you? Once again, I am repeating. Now take one variable, then anybody, what we have to do, then anybody, what we have to do?
Name, sir. Name.
Very
Yes.
good. Give a name. Then where we have to go?
Search.
Variable or collection.
Very good.
Data collection has. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now choose. Now copy it. Very easy, na? Very simple. Very simple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very simple it is.
So your name, please, sir.
Sir, Dipankar Das, sir.
Dipankar Das. Okay. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Just okay. Just enter. Okay. Now what to do? Now we have to do one new more thing. We have to fetch the selected band from here. We have to take some selected band from here. Before that, we have to do one map dot set center. That means where I want to see the images. Okay, let's say I am check it off. I want to see the images of near about Delhi. Okay, so what to do? Map dot set center. What to do? Map dot set center. Just click here. Map dot set center. Map dot set center. Just click over here and copy it. Map dot set center. Click over here and copy it and paste it. So what will be the argument? Lat long. From where we will get the lat long? From where we will get the lat long? From inspector. We will get the latitudinal and longitudinal information. Just take it and copy it and paste over here. Paste over here. Clear? Now what will be the zoom condition? Just give it 6. Clear? Till that portion, is it very clear to you or not? I think that has been very clear to you. Now what to do? Anybody? Now we have fetched the server data, and we have also fetched the map.set center. Now we want to display the image. Okay, Now what to do? What to do? Map
Add
dot
layer.
add layer. So if you forget the code exactly, so just type map dot add layer. Just copy it, okay, and paste over here. So what will be the EE object? EE object will be, the full form of EE object is,
Work
Earth
engine.
engine.
Earth,
L8.
okay,
L8.
Earth in object, okay, and just paste it. Okay, now Vis params. What will be the Vis params? Vis params means visualization parameter. Give a dictionary, and along with that give a minimum value and maximum value. So what will be the minimum value? Let's say I am giving minimum value 0 and maximum value that may be vary. Once again, there is no hard and fast rules. What will be the minimum and what will be the minimum? That depends according to your requirement. Okay. So maximum value, let's say 0.5 I am giving right now. That may be changed. Now, thing is that if you are doing work with Landsat image, the Landsat image contains so many electromagnetic spectral band. Those bands are what? B1, B2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. And those are the description of the band. B2 represent blue, B3 green, B4 red, and B5 near infrared. So I want to do a false color compositions using near infrared. Okay. So if I want to do near infrared false color compositions, so what to do? Then we have to input one listing over here, one listing as well as dictionary. So just go with me in between dictionary. So we don't need to conclude dictionary over here. Dictionary is still going on. Here we will choose bands, BANDS, bands. Okay, which are the bands? One by one is equal to sign. Then you have to give a square bracket. Then you have to give a square bracket. You are getting difficulties. Will I repeat the process again? I am repeat the process again. Okay. Don't need to worry. So map dot add layer. Just go with me. Map dot add layer. Map dot add layer. Just copy all those things and paste it. So what will be the EE object? EE object will be L8. EE object will be L8. Now visualizations parameter. So for the visualizations parameter, we need to incorporate one curly bracket. That means we need to incorporate one dictionary. Here you have to give one minimum value. Let's say I am giving minimum value 0.0 and as well as maximum value. So what will be the maximum value? Let's say for the time being 0.4. Now we will give the instructions what band will be appear in front of us. As we know, at a time maximum 3 number of band we can see having passing through 3 color gun, red, green and blue. So bands, so I have to type BANDS bands. Then I have to give another is to sign. Okay, so bands in dictionary, then I will assign one list. Okay, which band will come accordingly? Let's say first is B5. Why B5? Why B5? B5 represent B5
Near
represent
infrared.
near infrared. B5 represent near infrared. Okay, B5. Then we will incorporate. Then we will incorporate B4. Then we will incorporate B4. Then we will incorporate B3. Okay, we will incorporate B3. Now close your list and now close your dictionary. then give a name, as per your requirement, land set, and remove all those things. Okay, we don't need all those things anymore, and give a semicolon. These three line will be enough for us. These three line will be, let's say these three line will be enough for us to bring a satellite image of Landsat for entire world. Especially it will take us instantly to our desired location, which is New Delhi. Just go with run and wait a bit. It will take few moments to bring all those things, and it depends according to your net connection speed. As we are doing so many things at a time, we are uploading the data as screen sharing, and data is coming, so that's why it take a bit time. And if my code is wrong, it will come over here with red color. You did something wrong over there, and just wait for a bit, it will come automatically. So if you have any queries, if you have any confusion, always feel free to ask me. I will be always there to solve it out. And once again, this is not enough time to learn all those things within 3 days or 4 days. I will be always there to make you learn lot of more things. If you wish to learn, if you wish to know more and more, if you want to learn more and more, just make a contact with me. I will give you each and every suggestions how to learn all those things. And keep my phone number, which is 9836421525. Keep in touch with me, and once you get the result for practice, after practicing, please share with the in our group, so that rest of the people can understand you are doing fantastically, and they are getting inspired. Okay, and also it inspire me that you people are getting it. It's always give me inspirations that I am able to do my job fantastically. Okay, once again, just wait for a bit. As you can understand, all the data has been appeared in front of you. The data, the code is working, and there is only 3 line. 3 line is enough for your fetching the data of your entire world. There is lot of things to know proper Google Earth engine, machine learning. It will take almost 4 to 5 months in proper way, for at least 4 months. Okay, so once again, if you need any support after this workshop, I will be always there to help you out. You just go for practice. Okay, and you need to know more, always I will be there.
Sir, I have one query.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
yes.
if the data that place can be seen by uploading the shape file of a place, then it would be very helpful for us for
Yes,
our work
definitely.
purpose.
Definitely. You can upload your shape file over there, and you can get the exact data of that particular area which you have upload with your shape file. So we will try to learn all those things, but whatever, how as much as possible, I will try to make you learn. Don't worry, as much as possible, I will try to make you learn. Okay, as much as possible. Anyway, this
Okay,
is
sir. Okay.
don't worry, and keep in touch with me. There are a lot of things over there. Once again, I am saying that the 4 days is not enough. Lot of thing will be remaining, and there is no lock and key for knowledge. Officially, that 4 days is dedicated for your workshop purpose. But I will be always there to help you out regarding any kind of GIS and remote sensing problem. Any kind of, it may be Google Earth Engine, it may be drone related issues, it may be LiDAR related issues, it may be ArcGIS, it may be any kind of GIS, any kind of help you need. I will be always there to help you out, to give you proper suggestion, to give you proper training. So don't need to worry. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, entire Landsat image is just in front of you, and you can also change the opacity or transparency. You can check it on or check it off. You can do anything, any operations. As you can see, the lot of cloud may be appeared in front of you. You can also use the algorithm to remove the cloud. I will try to show you all those things one by one till that portion, till that code. Is it very clear to you or not? I think it is very clear to you. So this is for today's assignment. Now, if you have any question, if you have any confusions, please feel free to ask me so that I can give you the answer. And once again, rest of the part we will sit again tomorrow, and we will do lot of more things. So try to join tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. as many number as possible. And my request to all of you, whoever doing the job in Google Earth Engine regarding today's class, whatever the assignment for today's, please perform it and send it to our group so that we can understand you people are getting it or not. And your, if you getting it, please give some feedback to group so that we can understand you are happy with that kind of workshop. If you are happy with that kind of workshop, we will arrange more and more workshop in coming days regarding those advanced technologies of the of that GIS platform. And your feedback will definitely inspire particularly me. If I can understand if you are getting it, so it will always inspire me to give you more and more. Okay, so do you have any questions? So we have whatever our agenda for today's we have completed, and if you have any questions regarding that, please feel free to ask me. And I am taking you randomly whether you are getting it or not. So I am taking you randomly, or Sri Amitabh Ghosh, আসিফ আদমান, বিশ্বজ্যোতি মন্ডল, চিরঞ্জিত সিনহা, ডেভিড. David, you are that David? You did my class earlier, na? I don't know whether you are from, I don't know. Devashish Sarkar, Department of, oh, sorry, Dhayan Parveen, are you getting it? All those things? Dipankar Das, Dr. Kiran Jalmin, Dr. Joy Prakash Rajak,
Yes, sir.
Gayatri,
Yes, sir.
Madam, are you getting it? Is there any confusion?
No confusion, sir. It is crystal clear.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. And Horogopal Kobiraj from Bangladesh, wow, fantastic. Indrajit Poddar, Kathakoli, madam. Madam, are you getting it?
Yes, Ayun. Excellent.
Thank
Excellent
you.
workshop.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Indrajit Poddar, again Kathakoli Bandyopadhyay, Kannam Mitchell Maitri, getting it? You getting it? Are you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is any confusion? I am just one by one. I want to interact with you. Just a Kuldeep Goswami, Kuldeep Goswami.
Yes, sir.
Lamu Dulma Tamang. You are from Nepal, na? Lamu, Nepal.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
How can I
Please,
open
please,
the
will you share your name, please, so that I can relate?
Sir, I'm Dr. Kuldeep Goswami, Assistant Professor of Dibrugad University.
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay, sir, my question is, how can I open the same thing in different platform? Means different, maybe in mobile.
Yes,
But
if just in your mobile, just type code.google Earth Engine, and
okay,
if you have your account on your mobile, Gmail account on Google Earth Engine, then it will automatically open on your browser at mobile. Your
okay,
mobile contains some browser like Firefox or Google Chrome. Just
right,
type code.google Earth Engine,
okay,
okay, and then you just type all those code, or you can copy all those code, or you can what you can do, what you can do, you can just get a link, okay, just copy it from your computer and send it to your WhatsApp, and just click on WhatsApp, the click code on WhatsApp, it will automatically open on your Google Earth Engine platform.
okay. So what I am doing right now is automatically save in this Google Earth Engine.
Yes, just copy the code, or just copy the code from, or just take the get link, okay, and send it to your WhatsApp or any friend's WhatsApp, and just click on your mobile phone the link. It will automatically, if you have a Google Earth Engine account, it will automatically, and if you logged in with that account in Gmail with that browser, it will automatically open on your mobile phone.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Just try it. If you get any difficulties, then tomorrow we will definitely discuss it.
Okay, definitely. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now where is my screen? Where is the name of the rest of the participants? Okay. So Dr. Hur Hussain, Mr. Janami Burman, Mr. Mridul Burman, Mrinal Kanti Roy, Nirmalendu Burman, Payal Bhattacharya. Are you got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Mrinal
try to
Kanti.
understand, sir. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. It's a very nice
Sir,
introduction.
Thank you. Priyanka
sir,
Deka.
one thing
What?
I want to ask that
Yes, sir.
if we want to visualize for a particular day, how can we do it?
Particular day. Okay. So I will
Yes.
show you next day. This is called
Okay.
filtering. You have to,
Okay.
you can filter with so many informations: particular day, particular year, particular time span, particular area only. So I will make you learn in next sessions. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you, sir.
apart from that, once again I am saying, apart from that, there is lot of things to know. So 4 day, 5 day, 7 day is not enough for learn entire thing. This is the starting. Now after these sessions, once again I am saying to all of you, I will be always there to, if you have any interest, if you learn more and more, just keep in touch. If you get any confusion, always I will be there to help you out. If you want to learn more, if you want to get more training, I will be always there regarding any kind of GIS and remote sensing solutions. Anyway, Priyobroto Priyanka Deka, Priyobroto Das, Ronnie, রুদ্রনীল সাহু, Sharan Sharon Kailash. Are
Yes,
you got
sir.
it? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Obvious.
Okay.
Very nice explanation, sir.
Okay. Saurabh Singh, Sudipta,
Yes, sir.
Soumik, Suhel Mir, uh, Suman Dev Burman. Maybe you may be honorable professor, madam, sir, or government officials, but I don't know you personally. That's why I am not able to understand. So every sir and madam, maybe I asked you with name, but uh, don't take it in other sense. Okay. Sri Suman Dev Burman,
Yes, sir.
Sri Suhil Mir, Sri Sujit Devnath, Sri Surajit Kundu, Sri Tapos Mondol, Sri Varsha Deghori. Will you get it?
Yes, sir. It is a very interactive section.
So if I miss someone, don't uh, don't take it otherwise. I try to make you understand. I tried my best to make you understand, and I hope, I believe your heartiest cooperations will make the session 100% success. Anyway, we are wrapping up. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me. Otherwise, we will sit again tomorrow at same time, and we will definitely we will meet again at Rampurhat College on 29th, and I believe you will all come. We will have a interaction sessions over there, and I don't know you personally. I don't know your face, so just come to me and give your introductions. Definitely, we will spend a wonderful time over there. Okay. Anyway, uh, please share your feedback to our group so that you and corresponding authority understand whether it is going fantastically or not, and so that we can arrange that kind of thing again and again. So thanks to all of you. If you had any questions, please feel to ask me, until I am hand over the mic to corresponding authority. Thank you, sir. Over to you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for providing one more fantastic session. I think, sir, nobody is having any queries, so we should conclude this. So tomorrow we will meet on same time, on same place. Till then, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.